Parallel parking according to Ontario Drive Test standards. Preparation. Upon receiving the instruction, perform MSB, mirror signal blind spot on the right. Leave about 1 meter or 3 feet between your car and the reference vehicle, enough space for a person to stand between them. Instead of aligning your side mirror with the vehicle side mirror, which may not always work due to different car size, try this universal method instead. Use the triangle window of your rear passenger door and the corner of the car as a reference point. Most cars have brake lights on their corners, so aligning with the left corner brake light of the car. It works for any size vehicle. And there won't be any extra vehicle positioned behind your car on the road test. First step. Change to reverse gear and turn the steering wheel 360 degrees to the right. Check left and right blind spots. If a car is approaching, wait. If stopped, proceed. Align half of the front passenger window with the corner of the reference car at a 45 degrees angle. Second step. Turn the steering wheel 360 degrees to the left to straighten it, allowing the car to get closer to the curb. Confirm proximity by aligning the side mirror with the reference car's taillight at a diagonal angle. Third step. Turn your steering wheel all the way left, lock it all the way. Then, slowly move backward, keeping an eye on the rear windshield and the right side mirror until your car is straight or aligned with the curb. Once straight, straighten your steering wheel and keep moving back until you can see the rear wheel of the reference vehicle. Note, when demonstrating parallel parking, feel free to park in front of a driveway. Just treat it like a curb. Remember, we're simply demonstrating, not actually parking. Rolling back a bit can make transitioning to driving forward smoother after. Thanks for watching. Best of luck with your driving lessons. Like, comments, and subscribe to get more content like this.